Halifax, the capital of Nova Scotia, stands as a vibrant maritime city with a rich history that dates back over 250 years. Situated on the eastern coast of Canada, Halifax boasts a strategic location along the Atlantic Ocean, making it a vital hub for trade, defense, and cultural exchange. Its natural harbor is one of the largest and deepest in the world, offering excellent access for ships and fostering its development as a key port. The city's founding dates to 1749, when British military forces established a fort to secure their interests in North America. Over the centuries, Halifax transformed from a colonial outpost into a bustling urban center. The city's architecture reflects its layered history, blending historic Victorian buildings with modern skyscrapers, creating a unique skyline that honors its past while embracing the future. Halifax's economy has historically been anchored in maritime activities, including shipping, fishing, and naval operations. The city is home to one of the largest natural harbors in the world, which has played a pivotal role in its economic growth. The port continues to serve as a major gateway for goods moving in and out of Canada, connecting North America with international markets. The naval presence remains significant today, with the Canadian Forces Naval Base Halifax acting as one of the largest and most important military bases in the country. This strategic military installation has contributed to Halifax's reputation as a defense and security hub. The city also hosts a vibrant shipbuilding industry, supporting both commercial and military vessels. Culturally, Halifax is a melting pot of diverse communities, including descendants of Scottish, Irish, African, Acadian, and Indigenous peoples. This diversity is reflected in the city's lively festivals, culinary scene, and artistic expressions. The Halifax Jazz Festival, the Atlantic Film Festival, and the Halifax International Busker Festival are just a few examples showcasing the city's cultural vibrancy. Educationally, Halifax is home to several prominent institutions, notably Dalhousie University, one of Canada's leading research universities. The university attracts students from around the world and fosters innovation and academic excellence. St. Mary's University and Nova Scotia Community College also contribute significantly to the city's educational landscape, providing opportunities for lifelong learning and workforce development. The city's museums and historical sites offer insights into its storied past. The Maritime Museum of the Atlantic presents exhibits on maritime history, shipwrecks, and the city's naval heritage. The Halifax Citadel National Historic Site, a star-shaped fortress built in the 19th century, provides visitors with a glimpse into military life during different eras. Meanwhile, the Pier 21 National Historic Site commemorates the immigration stories of countless newcomers who arrived seeking new opportunities. Natural beauty surrounds Halifax, with numerous parks, beaches, and scenic waterfronts. Point Pleasant Park, a sprawling green space in the city, features walking trails, historic monuments, and stunning views of the harbor. Lawrencetown Beach, located just outside the city, is renowned among surfers for its excellent waves. The city's proximity to the Atlantic Ocean allows residents and visitors to enjoy boating, kayaking, whale watching, and other water-based activities. Halifax's culinary scene is a reflection of its maritime heritage, with an emphasis on fresh seafood such as lobster, scallops, and clams. Local restaurants and markets, like the Halifax Seaport Farmers Market, showcase regional produce and craft goods, fostering a strong sense of community and supporting local artisans. Transportation infrastructure in Halifax includes an extensive network of roads, railways, and an international airport, Robert L. Stanfield International Airport, that connects the city to major North American and international destinations. Public transit options, including buses and ferries, facilitate movement within the city and to nearby communities. In recent decades, Halifax has experienced rapid urban development, attracting technology companies, startups, and entrepreneurs. The city's growing tech sector benefits from a highly educated workforce and a supportive environment for innovation. Additionally, Halifax has become a center for research in marine sciences, oceanography, and environmental studies, leveraging its geographic location and natural resources. The city's commitment to sustainability and green initiatives is evident in its urban planning and development policies. Efforts to improve public transportation, expand green spaces, and promote renewable energy sources demonstrate Halifax's dedication to creating an environmentally friendly urban environment. Community engagement and social services play a vital role in Halifax's development. The city hosts numerous community centers, nonprofits, and cultural organizations that support diverse populations, including Indigenous peoples, newcomers, and marginalized groups. Initiatives aimed at fostering inclusion, equity, and social cohesion are integral to Halifax's identity. Halifax's sporting culture is lively and diverse, with hockey, soccer, and rugby among popular activities. The Halifax Mooseheads, a major junior ice hockey team, draws passionate fans and contributes to local pride. The city also hosts marathons, cycling events, and outdoor adventure races, encouraging active lifestyles. The city's religious landscape includes a range of faith communities, from historic churches like St. Paul's Anglican Church to mosques, synagogues, and temples, reflecting its multicultural fabric. These religious institutions often serve as community centers, fostering dialogue and mutual understanding. Environmental conservation is a priority for Halifax, with numerous initiatives aimed at protecting its coastal ecosystems, forests, and wildlife. The city actively participates in regional conservation projects and promotes awareness about climate change and sustainable practices. Halifax's contribution to arts and literature is notable, with local writers, musicians, and visual artists gaining recognition nationally and internationally. The city's artistic community benefits from numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural festivals that celebrate creativity and storytelling.